Hello everyone, welcome back to Playwright from Zero to Hero. I'm your instructor Mahesh Patil. In this lesson, we will continue with the JavaScript Fundamental Module. We will be discussing two concepts, concatenation and interpolation. So let's imagine we are working on the shopping cart for a website and we need to display a message like the price of your item is so and so. How we can do it? Let me just before that, let me create a file. Let me just name it as concatenation and interpolation.js. So as I said, you wanted to print the message in the shopping cart website saying the price of your, let's say, cup is 100. Now, since I have used the cup and 100 as a hard-coded value, how we can separate and replace this cup and the value with different items and the different values? So in order to do that, let me just first consider this as a variable message this. So I'll just create two variable. One is item name is equal to maybe I'll just say cup here and another variable name price is equal to 100 rupees. Now using the concatenation concept, how we can replace this hard-coded value in hard-coded value. So in order to do that, we have to replace cup with a string and plus item name. Similarly, so you have to use plus before and after. Similarly, string. So since this is price, let me just include before and after if you want. Continue your string. So let me just print this and see the output. Okay, how you can run this thing? You just node dot and the file name concat int dot js. You see your hard-coded value now got replaced and showing the value of the item name and the price in the output. Now you can whenever you want to replace the item name with different thing, let's say table, and you want to change the price to 1000. Now you can just output. You can see the output. The price of your table is 100 rupees. So using the concatenation concept, you can combine the string and the variable using the string ings plus operator. So what we have to do in concatenation? So whenever there is a need, you want to combine the string with a variable, you have to use concatenation. And so what operator we have to use? We have to use quotes and the plus operator. Now, this is the concept of concatenation, what we learned. Let's learn interpolation. So for interpolation, we use backsticks to create the string instead of using double quotes. The backstick symbol is located to the left of one key on your keyboard, just below the escape. So let me just type variable message one is equal to, so as I said, backstick the price of your So in interpolation, instead of plus and double quote, we use dollar symbol and opening and closing parenthesis. So I'll just say item name here is again the price you want to put opening and closing parenthesis. Let me print this message too. I'm running this thing. You can see the output. First is display related to the concatenation. So this is called concatenation concept. The second concept is interpolation. So everything looks great now. Both concatenation and interpolation produces identical results, but they use different syntax. As I said, for interpolation, you use the, uh, the dollar symbol with the opening and closing parenthesis. For concatenation, we use quotes, double quotes, plus operator. Interpolation, on the other hand, is more commonly used in JavaScript. It allows actually for a cleaner and easier way to insert variable directly into the strings. Both methods, as I said, both methods are useful when you need to combine values into a string for the later use in your code. So as we move forward in this course, we will use these concepts frequently, and it's up to you which method you prefer. Both are a valid choice. That's all for this lesson. See you in the next lesson.